Hello, sir. Welcome to Mario's Ristorante. We have pizza pie, spaghetti, meatballs. I want to buy a burger. This is Italian food. We don't have that stuff.
I want a burger!
No, Luigi. I don't sell burgers here.
Then you can go to hell, Mario.
Burgers!
I want to buy a pizza pie.